It's
Ay,
hot.
sorry. Deconstructed pinakbet lahat kami.
Chef, how can we taste?
Ay, chicken fry the patali.
Wow. Sige, ma.
Eggplant, tomatoes, your bawang,
Pwede po
and
kumapit.
onions. So we had rabanos tatay, patani, alokon, and but then, just like Sir told me a while ago, depends on the family kung are we going to use luya or not. So, first, so this is the eggplant, yung tuno nilang ako, na tuno, rabanos na blanch, lang sunay in water, and then the alumon also, tatana po natin, pinakbet na yung hindi pinakbet na sauce tayo, di sila lang pinakalamit tayo, there's onions, there's lasuna, and kamatis, and bawang. And then the apo, ini-infuse mean, what we did was we strained it, tapos, yung kitang tayo, it's thickened already. So one thickening na to use in stabilizer ng sauce, we used santan lang. So to stabilize the sauce para it will have body and stabilizer. And then what we did with the sili, we made it into gel. So we have agar-agar po here.
Agar-agar.
Yeah, it's agar-agar. Ang maganda po sa agar-agar, you can make gels right away kahit mainit siya. Unlike the gelatin. What we did with the buong at malunggay is we fried it with the batter. So it's like tempura. And then, the patani, we fried it ulit ako. We deep fried it para magka-texture.
Lemon chef tayo ng ating blue bowl dish.
Dito yung apokit is the okra.
Ayan! This is okra na
We will
earlier.
make it surap po.
Pinuri, ano bang tawag dyan? What did you do with that?
Puree na po.
Pureed okra ang ihalo. And what's this, chef?
This is the pinakbet sauce.
Okay, so we have the pre-made pinakbet sauce made of
Bagoong, water, tomatoes,
oh,
bawang.
wow! Look at that! Bagoong, water, tomatoes, bawang na puree na earlier.
We're getting the fruit lang.
Yung broth lang po ng
So we
okra.
need soy lecithin so that we can put bubbles.
Okay.
Anong purpose ng soy lecithin, sir?
Lapit na po tayo.
Fruit. And kahit kanina yung immersion blender mo na once soy lecithin na, the bubbles will die down right away. The soy lecithin will make it last longer.
Broad beans.
Yeah, there. Bibigyan naman. Taste po. Nakatani na po.
It's
Ay,
hot.
sorry. Cut.
Chef, ulit na agad dito. Prepare tayo.
Deconstructed pinakbet lahat kami. So again, this is our version po of deconstructed na pinakbet. Using the usual suspects na ingredients po natin.
Chef, how can we taste?
Hi! We really didn't know what to do this morning. So what was amazing lang ngayon, parang new discovery for us with Chef Valerie was that we can fry the patani. Maayos din siya. So basically, ito yung mga
Hindi siya mapait, sir?
meron pa rin konti. Pero actually, it tastes like peanut.
Oo.
Yeah. Nati parang kastanyas.
Yes.
Remarkably, we can fry it. So that's a new discovery for us. So even if you guys live the same for decades, there's still a lot of discovery to make. Mahirap. Parang just like local PJs said to us, dami, we're so diverse dito sa Philippines. So we really need to test palagi.
Kaka-smoky, tifrili. Tapos,
Lapit?
Sige, ma.